Hey y'all, hey, so we are outside. It's going to probably rain sometime today, so I'm trying to get as much of the decorating that I can get done, especially since I have some DIY projects that require spray painting and air ventilation. So I'm gonna try to get as much as I can today. I'm not gonna do what I thought I was gonna do as far as the hay, so it's gonna be really cute, simple, just some light decor. This video is probably not gonna be long at all, so let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I wanted to do was go ahead and get my pillow covers on the pillow inserts, because I really thought that was going to be a struggle for me, because as you know, I am wearing some press-on nails, and I just I felt in my spirit that one of them just might pop off. So I just wanted to get the hard part for me out of the way. But unfortunately, the ones that I already had outside, they did not fit. So I did have some pillow inserts inside my linen closet, and I just brought them outside, and they worked well. They were the perfect size. They filled the pillow cover to capacity, and I didn't have any issues with it. But I'm lying, I did have some issues with it. As you can see, I was on the struggle bus real hard trying to get these inserts in these pillow covers, but I made it do what it do, and it all worked out. In case anyone is new here, my name is Denise. I am a stay-at-home mom of two. I have a little girl. Her name is Logan. I have a little boy. He is in school right now, but his name is Lucas. And yeah, Logan will make a lot of appearances in this video because she is very active. She is walking and she is all over the place. But we are about to move on to a really quick DIY project. I found these little word signs at my local Dollar Tree, and you can't beat that with a stick. Like, they're $1, and I am going to jazz them up a bit. But in case anybody is wondering what Logan is doing at the time of me doing this, she is sitting on the deck in her car looking cute. But anyway, I'm using the Cryoline brand of the spray paints, and I'm going to prime them first, and then I'm going to add a color called Satin Brick, and I am in love with this color. I hope I can find something else to use this spray paint on because it's so pretty. But anyway, I'll try to have everything linked down in the description box. But if you decide to paint something from the Dollar Tree and it has that particle board look to it, please make sure you prime it first, because if you don't, otherwise the paint won't stick. It's just going to absorb into that material, and you're just going to hate yourself and hate the amount of money that you spend on a product to spray paint these things, because it's a big to-do. Prime it first. You heard it from me. I'm telling you, use a primer. I just wanted you guys to have a better look before we moved on to some cleaning. First things first, I'm going to remove the DIY project from when I originally did the makeover for this, and y'all, I found a bug. So you know what I did? I just threw it over the balcony, and then I threw the other one over the balcony, because ain't nobody got time for that. I don't have time to play games with the bugs. But I am removing the vinyl siding hooks that I use to hang things, and a lot of you guys asked me questions about this in my previous video, which I'll have linked in the cards for you guys if you missed that. But I ordered them off of Amazon, and I'll try to have them linked in the description box for you as well. They are very useful if you like to hang things outdoors like I do. But because I mentioned that it was gonna rain today, I didn't get the opportunity to use the Armor Green that I like to wash my house off with. So I'm just taking the broom to it and wiping off some dust and debris, all that jazz. But I'm gonna be washing my chairs later on in this video, so make sure you keep on watching.
If winter blows here, baby, I fear we gon' disappear. Do you even want me? Do you even worry that I'm gonna love somebody else? Do you think about me when you're feeling lonely by yourself? What's it gonna take for you to love, me? What's it gonna take for you to show feels, yeah. I've been trying to take it slow, but my patience low.
Let me know down in the comments, has this video made you think about your own outdoor space? Are you guys decorating for fall outdoors? Do you care what the outside of your house looks like when the seasons change? I'm just very curious because a lot of people, they don't decorate, or either they decorate for Halloween and they don't necessarily decorate for fall. I don't decorate for Halloween. I just don't have time to be doing the switching back and forth because money doesn't grow on trees, so I have to pick one. But I do try to make my fall decor as festive as I can for the kids because my home is not a show home. I'm not an interior designer, so I don't have to have a whole aesthetically pleasing look. I do try to keep my house nice and clean and yet still appealing to the eye, but I don't go overboard with the whole aesthetic vibe that a lot of other YouTubers have in mind, because I always think about my kids and I just love to make sure that when they are in a space that they enjoy it just as much as I do.
Just a dream, just all in my head. Floating rivers upstream.
I know what you're thinking. Why did you just wipe that table down when you know it's gonna be outside? Y'all, it was a hot mess. It needed to be wiped down. But anyway, I'm moving on to adding color to the signs, and then up next I will be washing our chairs off because they just needed to be wiped of all like the little spider webs just from being outside. They were a little bit dirty, so I just wanted to give everything a fresh start, and I just want to give them a good washing with the water hose.
To let go. They say time is a healer, just you wait and see. The problem is for me, I need an eternity. So tell me and be honest, tell me, did you know that you would be leaving me just like the winter snow? Tell me and be honest, tell me, should I know that you'd be leaving me so painfully quiet and slow? I try my best to move on.
Y'all, Logan is a diva. She didn't even want me to wipe her chair down before she just sat in it. But anyway, I am getting the chairs put back in the little seating area, and then we will start decorating.
Tell me, should I know?
If you're all caught up, then you've seen some of these things in my previous vlog, like this plant here I got from the Lowe's in that vlog. I didn't get a chance to show you guys the gourds because I left a bag in the car and that was what was inside, but I found those also at the Lowe's, and I thought that I would just add a few, like maybe 3, but Logan had other ideas. You'll see that coming up. But I'm also gonna put back my little succulent plant because it's so cute, and I just thought that I didn't want to take it back inside because I thought that it would die. So I'm gonna leave it outside and hope for the best because it's still thriving, and I'm loving how this plant is still alive because I've been known to kill a few plants in my day. But yeah, Logan is my little decorating helper. She just wasn't happy with just the 3. So I'm adding my pillows now, and then we're going to hang up our signs.
I would show you my mess, I'm a mess, kinda makes it right. Oh, I would say it all, tell you more about my lonely nights. Just hold me now while I hold you tight, 'cause I pull you in, then I throw you out, but I swear it's never easy, no. Now we're standing here at this plain place while I'm giving in and you're reaching out, but I swear it's not that easy, no. Don't call me a liar, then I call you a liar, 'cause I'm not a liar. You're my friend that said that I want you, but I don't need you, no, no. You know I'm right.
Unfortunately, it started raining right when I left to go pick up Lucas from school, and this is what was going on when I got back. So yeah, I did not finish the rest of this day. I picked up the next day, but I wanted you guys to see this snail. Poor Gary. He is looking for his rightful owner named SpongeBob, but I didn't want to just leave him there because I thought that I could go ahead and plant my plants that night or whatever, but I didn't do that. Again, I just waited till the next day, but I did salvage him. I saved him. I scooped him up and I put him over the balcony. But anyway, I try not to kill insects if I don't have to, but if you keep on watching, you'll see that there will be a critter that he might meet his demise. Just keep on watching.
Then I call you a liar, 'cause I'm not a liar. You're my friend that said that I want you, but I don't need you, no, no.
Okay, so like I said, I was gonna take these plants to the recycling bin, and look at what comes out of the box. A freaking spider. And if you've been here long enough, then you know when I was pregnant with Logan, a spider chased me. It almost made me leave Lucas outside. It was that big. It was a horrible experience. I'm still traumatized, and yes, y'all, I did had to end his life, sadly. But when there's a spider around, or like any like bug that I think could harm my kids, I will take care of it. So please don't judge me. I just don't want the spiders to be biting my kids, and I've been having some bad experiences with spiders around here lately. But anyway, I'm just rooting around in my soil because I'm going to add some fresh soil on top before we start planting our new plants in this planter.
I'm gonna leave it all behind, find myself, I'm gonna start over new. Yeah, I'm on my way now. 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 I'll be going away for a while. Oh, and I don't know what I'll find. boss. I just wanna go my own way. 'Cause I am on my way. 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 I am on my way.
Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching me plant these plants. I'm not a gardener. I could have been doing that all wrong, but I really wanted you guys to see the before I show you guys everything in all of its glory. It was not too messy, but like I said, I just wanted to clean things up and decorate a little bit for the fall. All of this footage is from my previous vlog. If you want to check that out, I have it linked in the cards for you guys, just so you be all caught up and get to know me just a little bit better. But yeah, that is what I was working with before. Okay guys, this is the after and I absolutely love it. I really do wish that the sun was shining, but like I said, it's supposed to rain every day for the rest of this week, and I don't know if I'm ever going to get any good footage before I was going to put this up. So yeah, enjoy it for what you can see now, but I think it came out great. Like I said, I wanted to just jazz it up a bit. I didn't decorate too much, so it's not it's gonna be hit or miss for a lot of you folks, but anyway, I like how it turned out. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. If you're new here, please make sure you are subscribed with the notification bell turned on, because there's other areas in the home that I am looking forward to decorating and cleaning and sharing that process with you all. But again, with this space, the mat looked a little bit underwhelming, so I just used some dinner placemats to give it some contrast, because in the vlog I showed you the moldy mat that was underneath it, so I had to throw that away and it was just not vibing well for me. So yeah, I went in my pantry, I found these placemats and I just layered them all. It's a total of 4 down there, and don't you think that it just brings the mat out? Like, wasn't that just an ingenious idea to just repurpose some things that I already had? I didn't have to go out and spend any more money. My flowers look great. I know that they probably look a little janky as far as the placement of them goes. If you have any tips or tricks, please leave them down in the comment section below. I did set up a little small seating area for the kids. I just put their chairs out and put a little pumpkin there for some color. But anyway, I kept it nice and simple. I hope you guys love it as much as I do. Again, subscribe if you're new here, turn on that notification bell, give this video a big thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.